That's great.
So we had our adventure. Oh, the camera's fogging up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so we had our adventure.
We are improvising tea.
Yeah, we were improvising tea. He gave it to us black with no water. Or with water only.
Yeah, there was no water.
No water. Shut up. And
beer.
the sugar just comes in these long things. And we had a little adventure trying to figure out the word for cream. We ended up having steamed milk.
Yeah, I just asked for milk.
Yeah. I like the look of the store. It's like they're trying to look like it's back home. You know?
That was the point. This place
Yeah.
is very Western.
Yeah.
Western is hip and trendy here, about as hip and trendy as Eastern is back home.
Yeah, exactly. It's like reversed. Everything back there is like, oh, Asian and everything. And, you know, over here it's like, ooh.
Western.
You know? Western. But see, what I like about it is how they actually draw the decals on the window there. There's our poor guy who had to help us. He must have spent like 10 minutes trying to figure it out. Bye, Jesse.
Hi.